Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. Let's break down a classic case that's shaped contract law for over a century, Foakes v. Beer, 1884. Imagine this. You owe someone money, not just a little, but a serious chunk. £2,090. That's a life-changing sum in 1884, and still a lot today. Dr. Foakes owed Mrs. Beer exactly that. After some legal wrangling, they struck a deal. If Dr. Foakes paid part of the debt up front, and the rest in installments, Mrs. Beer promised she wouldn't chase him for anything more. Sounds fair, right? Well, here's where things get tricky. Dr. Foakes paid her back, every penny of the principal. But Mrs. Beer came back later, demanding interest, something they hadn't specifically agreed on. Dr. Foakes was like, "Hold up, we had a deal." But Mrs. Beer said, "The law says I can claim interest, deal or no deal." So, who was right? The case went all the way to the House of Lords, the UK's highest court at the time. And their decision? They sided with Mrs. Beer. Here's why. The court said that just paying what you already owe isn't enough to count as consideration. That's the legal term for what each side gives up in a contract. Since Dr. Foakes only paid the debt he already owed, and didn't offer anything extra, Mrs. Beer's promise not to sue for interest wasn't binding. This is huge. If you want to change a contract, say by paying less than you originally promised, you've got to offer something more. Otherwise, the other person can still come after you for the rest. It's all about consideration. No extra consideration, no new deal. But here's the twist. Over the years, courts have tried to soften this rule. There are exceptions, like the other person accepts less in full satisfaction, and you rely on that promise. But Foakes v. Beer is still the foundation for understanding how contract modifications work. So, next time you're thinking about settling a debt, remember, unless you offer something extra, the law might not have your back. Foakes v. Beer, simple facts, big consequences. Thank you for watching. Read the fine print, and always know what you're giving up or not giving up in any deal. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.